The recent heavy rains we've had here in the valley also brought new snow to the mountains. We decided to try and capture some sunset light on the snow-capped mountains while it was still there. The question was which location to visit. We were also dealing with some uncertainty because the van was acting up. It had developed a misfire a few days ago on a very wet day, and now the engine light was on for a misfire on cylinder 3. Thinking it might just be due to something getting wet in all of the rain and splashing through puddles, we decided to drive it for a few miles to warm everything up and allow any moisture to evaporate. Hopefully, that we would not be stranded on the side of the road somewhere. Our first option for sunset photos turned out to be a bust because the mountains were completely obscured by low clouds. There was nothing to see. The late afternoon light hitting the Napa Range to the southwest was spectacular, though. We'll visit that range soon for some evening photos. Instead, we changed direction and headed towards Mount Charleston, which always has more snow than any other peak in the Spring Mountains, but also would require driving up a rather rough road for a number of miles. All right, so check out this snow back here in the mountains. We're in Pahrump, Nevada, or outside of Pahrump, Nevada right now. And we've had having crazy rain down there for a few days, flooding, all the rest. It's the atmospheric river you've been hearing about that hit California. Well, this is making its way east. We got a lot of rain here. Well, up in the mountains here, they've been getting snow. And from what I've been hearing, as much as 3 feet of fresh snow up there. So pretty crazy, but it's really, really pretty. So we took a ride, bouncing down a muddy, rough, then muddy, then slushy, wet road to get up here so we can show you guys this. And we're just going to look around and show you what it looks like up here in the mountains right around. We're in the Mojave Desert in southern Nevada, but there's the Spring Mountains here, and this is what it looks like with fresh snow on it. And right up there, you can't see it now, is Mount Charleston. I think Mount Charleston's 11 or 12,000 feet. It's kind of a landmark. You can see it from all around, but from both sides, from Las Vegas and Pahrump, but you cannot see it today because it's lost in the clouds. All right, well, hope you enjoyed these scenes up here in the mountains with fresh snow and at sunset. We were hoping to get the drone up. It didn't quite work out today. Timing was a little bit off, but we'll do that again another night, hopefully soon, if we can make this happen, if we can brave this crazy rough road again. But meanwhile, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, give us a like if you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not out yet already, and we'll catch you in the next video.